There's a duck there swimming. Ayan. Only one. Look guys, look at the houses here guys. Oh.
More new estates.
Yeah.
Cramp the house into the thing, can't get through the back.
Nice houses there. We're allowed to do this? Huh?
Very well.
Yeah. New display village now open. Ayan. Our new neighborhood.
Okay.
Ayan guys, look at that beautiful sky, blue.
We probably needed to go right there, but we can't have the film and the map at the same time. Not sure.
Maybe there is a sign there.
Is that a two-story KFC?
Yes. We're going there with chicken for lunch. Old taxi.
KFC here guys.
We're coming into Warragul. I need to know where I'm going because I'm going to turn in a minute.
There is an Aldi. Aldi there.
Is there a Kmart?
Old town hall.
Or downhole.
Railway station, right next door to the railway station.
Warragul station here. Train station, I think. Train station?
Yes.
Yes. There. Ayan. Stop in the traffic lights.
I bet you stopped the film and look where we're supposed to be going because we're nearly out of Warragul.
Okay. See you in a bit guys. We're going to the Civic Park here in Warragul. Oh, we're here guys. Ayan guys. We're here in the Civic Park. Say hello. Hello. Hello.
Let's go over there.
Okay, let's go there. Let's go there again. Let's go. Run. Pakita ko kayo. Ay, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Ayan na. Mayroong swing doon kami punta guys kasi walang tao doon kami punta. Kaysa doon maraming sa kabila maraming mga tao doon. Baka ayaw nila na mag-film tayo doon guys. Kaya dito kami sa walang tao. Ayun. Doon daming tao doon guys. Ayan. Sa malayo lang natin pwede na yan. Pwede na tayo mag-film sa malayo lang. Ayan yung trees. Yung trees dito, oh, walang dahon. Walang dahon ng trees guys kasi winter. Babalik yung dahon pag springtime na. Ayan. But the grass is so green. Ayan. The grass is so greeny.
What they drive? What they drive?
I don't know. Maybe the toilet is far away. Ayan. Can you see the water fountain there, guys? Ayan there. Very nice. Ayan, very nice. Very nice, you guys. Take a picture. Ayan. Ayan, ayan. Look at bird. Ayan. Wow. Look at that. You see here, guys. There's the water here, guys. See? Oh, look at that. There is a duck. One duck. Ayan, guys. There's a duck there swimming. Ayan. Only one. Only one duck there swimming, guys. Ayan. Wow. Wow. It's nice, guys. Ayan, guys. Beautiful fountain. Very hot. Very hot, but I'm cold. In my face is hot, but it's cold here, guys. It's still winter. Ayan, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful place. No standing. Why there's no standing there? Yeah. No standing. Ayan. No standing there. Ayan. There's a pond here, guys. Look. Yeah.
Stuck on it.
Yeah, I found a duck before. But yeah, the duck over there, guys. Yeah, you see that flying? No, that's a bird. It's not a duck.
It's a duck.
Ah.
That's got fly. And you've got a little bridge and a waterfall up here.
Hmm. There is a little bridge here, guys.
Let's go and
There's
see
a-
where it goes.
Yeah. In here. Hmm. What kind of plants this one?
Some taro there, but I don't know what the variegated one is.
This.
We have this one at home, lilies.
Yeah, lilies.
You see, little waterfall
Yeah,
there.
lilies
Don't
there.
move so quick.
Mm.
Up there,
Hmm?
up there.
Where? Oh, here. Here, guys. There's the bridge, little bridge. There's the water. What's on top?
Keep going and find out.
Look at that beautiful flowers. 3 flowers. Wow! Wow! This is lovely here. Beautiful. Wow. Very nice. This water is going to the water fountain there.
Just to this pond, I think.
Yeah. Just for the plant.
The two
Not-
ponds are separate, so
Okay.
one goes up there.
Yeah. There. This one.
Well,
This one. What's it?
it's a little pond.
You can swim here.
Wow, yeah. Not today you can't. It's
No?
14 degrees.
Yeah, maybe summertime we can swim here. No, we can't swim there. Not allowed here to swim. Ayan, here guys. Oh wow, nice. Ayan. Flowers floating. Petals. Petals floating. That's it.
Always sounds so nice.
Yeah, very relaxing place. Ayan. Together. Hello, Fergie. What do you think here?
Nice. I want to go home and play with my fish tank.
Okay.
Nice. sitting on a mushroom. I'm on a mushroom.
You're in the mushroom. Here also in here guys. Nice. There's Justin. There's Justin.
I could go to sleep.